Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the essentials of navigating the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to open an account on Bybit, one of the top platforms for trading digital assets. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into crypto or an experienced trader exploring new exchanges, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why choose Bybit? It's known for its user-friendly interface, low fees, and robust security features, making it a favorite for futures trading and spot markets. But before we start, make sure you have a valid email address and a phone number handy, as you'll need them for verification. Step 1. Head over to the Bybit website. Simply open your web browser and type in bybit.com, or search for it on Google. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button. It's usually right at the top. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your details. Next, fill in the registration form. You'll need to provide an email address or a phone number. I recommend using your email for ease. Create a strong password. Think at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After that, you'll receive a verification code via email or text. Enter it to confirm your identity. Now, for added security, Bybit might ask you to complete a KYC process. This involves uploading some ID, like a passport or driver's license, and possibly a selfie. Don't skip this. It's crucial for withdrawing funds and complying with regulations. Once verified, you can set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra protection, highly recommended. Congratulations! Your Bybit account is now open and ready to go. You can deposit funds, explore trading options, or even try out their demo mode to practice. Remember, always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.